In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp for email marketing success. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking to refine your setup, this walkthrough will guide you through the foundational steps to effectively manage and engage your audience. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll need to create an account on Mailchimp, launch your browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Look for the sign up button and give it a click. Mailchimp will prompt you to enter your email address, a secure password, and a few other essential details to set up your account. This part is pretty straightforward, but remember to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Next, it's time to define your audience. Audience management is crucial for targeted email marketing. From your Mailchimp dashboard, head over to the audience section. You'll want to manage your audience by selecting Manage Audience. Here you can begin adding contacts. Mailchimp allows you to import your contacts in several ways. You can upload them from a CSV or text file, import them from another device, or simply copy and paste them from a spreadsheet. Choose the method that best suits your needs and fill up your contact list with your prospective leads or existing customers. Now let's move on to building sign-up forms, which are instrumental for growing your audience list. In the audience section, go to sign up forms. Mailchimp offers various types of forms for you to create, tailored to meet your marketing requirements. You might want to set up an embeddable form for your website, or perhaps design a standalone landing page. Choose the form type that best matches your strategy and proceed to customize its look and feel. Once your form reflects your brand's aesthetics, embed it on your website or share it on your social media profiles. This way, visitors can easily subscribe to your marketing list. Finally, it's time to focus on creating engaging email templates. Mailchimp provides a selection of pre-designed email templates you can use as a starting point, or if you're feeling creative, you can design your own from scratch. Utilize Mailchimp's intuitive drag and drop editor to tailor your email's content. Add images, engaging text, action buttons, and other elements that resonate with your audience. Once satisfied with your email design, don't forget to save it for future campaigns. This ensures that you have a variety of templates at your fingertips, ready to deploy when required. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Mailchimp and setting up a solid foundation for your email marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me on this Mailchimp setup journey. Be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your email marketing efforts. Catch you next time.